Remove the filler cap. Fill with No 3040 mechanical oil. Keep oil at 2/3 of sight glass. Remove cap sticker. Keep vent unblocked. Tighten the filler cap. Install the pressure adjustment wheel. Connect the filter screen to the end of the inlet hose and tighten. Remove the inlet dust cover. Connect the inlet hose to the water inlet and tighten. Connect the return hose to the return port and tighten. Connect the high-pressure hose to the outlet and tighten. Installation complete. Insert remote socket into stable power strip. Hold to turn on. A solid light indicates successful pairing. Insert pump leakage plug into remote socket. Press blue button to turn on. Open outlet. Bleed air and water. Then close outlet immediately. Adjust the pressure valve to maintain pressure between 2135 GGCM. Open outlet. Start use. Press down to turn off. Press up to start.